Y'all, this is the homemade, totally from scratch, General So's chicken. I did use free range chicken and chicken breasts, which meant very little tendons and all that. But just look at this dish. Y'all, it was delicious. Everything about it was so, so good.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
Hi, y'all, again. Spongy Gold here.
I'm here.
Welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and good old Southern home cooking and
Bacon.
bacon, y'all. Tonight, what are we having?
Teriyaki chicken.
Oh my! Tonight we are having General Tso's chicken, y'all.
I thought it was teriyaki.
No, General Tso's.
I guess because I looked at a video on YouTube about teriyaki.
General Tso's chicken, y'all. I have the lo mein. She asked for lo mein. But, you know, with broccoli and carrots, I really want to do fried rice.
I don't want rice.
So we'll do the lo mein. Now, how I'm going to do it, since my son can be picky, I will do the vegetables first in an Asian sauce. And then I'll do the chicken first. Then I'll do the vegetables. And then after that, I'll do the lo mein with the sauce. And then after that, I'll put the chicken back in on one side of the wok, lo mein on the other, and the vegetables will be off to the side so that you can just put your vegetables, on your plate and everything. All right, y'all ready?
I am.
Let's get started. All right, y'all. The first thing that we're going to do is get our water simmering right here for our lo mein right here. That's the first thing we're going to do. And then this is my wok. If you don't have a wok, I would highly encourage you in investing in one. If you like third culture cuisine or just simply Asian dishes in their entirety, a wok cooks so much different and it is just so nice to have. But we're going to get started with the lo mein first, y'all. Now, I'm also going to do the vegetables, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, y'all. We are going to take our baby carrots, and these have been washed previously. Normally, my daughter will come over here and do this because it's hard for me to do it. But we're going to take our carrots. I'm going to press down. And then you just got to smack it. And it cuts them right up in there for you. So, if you want bigger pieces of carrot, you could just chop them. Let me show you one more time. Just lay your carrots on here. These are baby carrots. And voila. You have your carrots chopped up very easily. Very fast for you. It's very fast, y'all. I love this little thing. I don't think there's a way you can sharpen the blades, though. Okay, y'all. Now, General Tso's, you've got to have garlic. I like to use the fresh garlic. First thing we need to do, though, is kind of smush our little garlic bulb here so that we can get our pieces out. Don't be afraid. I always say this, y'all. Don't be afraid to work with real garlic There's nothing like using real garlic in your recipe. Just nothing like it. It's just so super good. And it's spongy.
Yeah.
Spongy said, yeah. All right, y'all. I'm going to use my little mincer here for my garlic, and then we'll be back. Y'all have seen me do that before. So you're going to need, like if you have nice sauces like this, you're going to want 5 of those. I might even do 6. It depends on how much garlic flavor you really want. For me, I like a lot of garlic, and so does everybody in my house.
Anneci de deseydiniz oynamazdım zaten. Baştan söyleyeyim. Seyfo, var mısın lan? Giriyor mu oyuna? Lan şşş, alo! Seyfo geçmeyin bu arada aşağı arası. Seyfo geçmeyin bu arada aşağı arası. Lan bizim aşağı sikeceğim ben size zaten siktiniz benim ya. Hadi. Ne sıkıyorsun lan sen? Balık mı sıkıyorsun? Yavuz, sen kekik tanımak istiyorsun. Tamam tamam. Çok da güzel bazı yerden düşmüş. Lan ya. Ama benim çok tavuk sen arkadaşım. Ya senin ne güzel arkadaşların var. Bak aslında mesele tavuk sıkıntı değil. Aslında mesele onu yakalamakta. Şefim senin ikisi de neydi?
All right, now we're going to just take some onion and just using our garlic press right here. We're going to just dice it up into our minced garlic. All right, now with our washed broccoli spears, our little pieces right here, we're going to just chop these up some. I don't want this end right here. So when you chop that off, it pretty much breaks them apart. So basically just chop this end off. And then the pieces that don't come apart, you can just kind of break apart. Just like that. And you don't want to do it so much that you're tearing your broccoli up, though. All right, now we're going to take our electric skillet right here, and I love this. I'm going to buy a bigger one. It is so nice to have, so convenient. It's just wonderful. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to heat this up in here. And then we're going to add some sesame oil to that. So we're just going to dash some sesame oil in. And we're going to let this heat up. You don't need an awful lot. And I have my setting on the 1. I'll probably increase it shortly. But right now, I just want to let that heat up. And it doesn't take it long at all. See, it's already bubbling. So we can go ahead and add in our onion and our garlic. I'm just kind of toasting this. I know I'm still using my little wooden bowl spatulas because I like them more. I like the wooden spatulas. All right, let's go ahead and add our carrot. Add a little more olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and add in our broccoli. And then we're going to put the lid on here and just let these vegetables start cooking. Uh-oh, I threw a carrot out. And we're going to add some sesame oil to the top. And I'm going to have to buy some more sesame oil. I'm out, y'all. All right, and we are going to add a capful of rice vinegar. And some dumpling daughter spicy sweet soy. Give that a shake. And we also want to do a... All right, y'all, we're going to add a few red pepper flakes. And stir that in. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up and comment. I'll see you next time.